Hi everybody. This time I'm gonna teach you a Keerthanam, but this tutorial is totally meant for the advanced students only, because this is Vatapi. That's the title of the Keerthanam, and this is a really tough one. It's been set in the ragam Hamsadhwani, and it is having Pallavi. That's a really big one. It is having 8 sangadis and all, and Anupallavi, then a charana. So it's a really huge. So this lesson I suggest only for my advanced level students. Okay. Anyway, first let's discuss the raga lakshana of Hamsadhwani. In the previous tutorial, that Keerthanam also, that was also in Hamsadhwani, the same raga. This time also it will be Hamsadhwani. So the first point, Hamsadhwani is the derivative of 29th Melakarta raga Dhira Shankarabharana, or you can say it's a derivative of 65th Melakarta raga Mecha Kalyani. Both can be said. Then when we check its Arohana and Avarohana, we can find it all. There are only 5 notes in the Arohana and 5 notes in the Avarohana as well. So we can call this a raga as an Audava raga. Audava, 5 notes. Then 2 notes are missing. Madhyama and Daivada is missing. So we should say it's Madhyama Daivada Varji raga. The 4 notes are there. So it's called an Ubanga raga. Then the Swarasthanas, when we check, it's Shadja, Sa is Shadja, Ri is Chadrashudra Shaba, Ga is Andaragandhara, Pa is Panchama, and Ni is Kakal Nishada. And how to sing this? Sa Ri Ga Pa Ni Sa Sa Ni Pa Ga Ri Sa. Okay, that's the Arohana and Avarohana of this raga Hamsadhwani. The composer, who is the composer of this Keerthanam, Vatapi? Let's take its charana. The lyrics of the charana goes like, to the end of this lyrics, it's a Haradi Guruguha Doshidavimba. Haradi Guruguha. Guruguha, that's the term. That's a Vagegara Mudra of Muthuswami Dikshidhar itself. Muthuswami Dikshidhar, this is his signature, Guru Guha. So this is the composition of Muthuswami Dikshidhar. And in this, Haradi Guru Guha Doshida Bimbam Hamsadhwani Bhushida Geram. Hamsadhwani, that's the name of the raga. So here we have got Vagegara Mudra and Raga Mudra as well. Okay, let's zoom in. The first Sangati, Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. That's and before we start singing, I want you to sing it like Vatapi Ganapatim. Try to sing that thing in one breath. Otherwise, it will be Vatapi Ganapatim, like that. Or in Malayalam, if we say it like Va, Ta, Pi. Va means come, Ta means give, and Pi Ganapati. Pi means Parameshwar. Parameshwar is the father of Ganapati. Actually, one of my tutor used to say it like this in a sarcastic way. Va, Ta, Pi, come, give, Pi Ganapati, like that. No. So when you sing, it should be phrased in the Sahitya should have a meaning. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham, like that. Okay, how to sing this phrase? The first Sangati. There are 8 Sangadis. This is the first one. Vatapi, that's Gari Sa. Vatapi, Garnava Sani. That Shadja should be lifted. Garnapatim Sani Bari Garnavadim Bhajeham Sari Sani Zari Bhajeham. Okay. As a phrase, it will sound like Vatapi Garnavadim Bhajeham. It should be sing for 2 times. And then the second Sangati. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. That's Vata Ga Sarigapa Va. For that Punjab, it's actually a throw. See, in this tutorial, I won't be moving in a really slow form, because if you are an advanced student, you will be able to understand if I sing like this also. No need to give any tiny explanations. Okay, no need to give like that. Which means I won't be focusing about the anuswarams. Okay. Vata ga sariga pa ri. Okay. Vata pi gana pi sa pi gana sa ni re sa ni gana patim pi vata pi pi sa gana ni re sa ni Ganapatim Nirizani Pari Sari Sani Sari. The rest is just a repetition. Let me sing it as a phrase. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Twice. See, after Vatapi Ganapatim, you can take breath. Like Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. You can sing it like that. The third Sangati goes like this. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. Okay. That's a Gapa. Gabagari, Gabari, Gabagari, that's you should actually elaborate that usage. It's not va. That's Gabagari, no, it is va. Give a strong beat there. Va tabi like riga. Riga gari zani, gaba gari zani, riga ri zani, vatapi gana gari zani, gana patim. Patim bhajeham is just a pari sari, like in the previous phrases. Vatapi gana patim bhajeham. Twice. Then that's the third song. Let's move on to the fourth. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. That's a really easy one, I guess. Gaba Vatapi Vata Ga Ri Sari Sari Gaba Ga Ri Sari Sari Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. That's it. That's the fourth. Let's move on to the fifth. Vatapi, it's a Gapa Sariva. Actually, it is Gapa Ni. It's a Gama of Nishada. But you know, the Anuswaras, if we check the Anuswaras of Nishada, it's Sariva Ni. Okay, Ni. Nishada is a Pasari. That's the Gama actually. Vata. Gapa nipa gaur gapa sariva vatapi tabi ta sapa ta or sariva tabi. Okay, vatapi tabi pagari vatapi ganapa. From Ganapati it's repetition. Ganavatim pari bhajeham sani sari. Let me phrase it. The fifth Sangati. Vatapi ganavatim bhajeham. That's the fifth. Let's move on to the sixth. Vatapi. That's just like the previous one, but here it is Gaga Baba Sariva Vatapi Vatapi. Pa. That's for pa. There you should place ta. Vatapi. Pari. Papagari. Sapa. Sapa pagari. Vatapi. Gana. That's the repetition. Niri sani bari sari sani sari. Let me phrase it. Vatapi ganapatim bhajeham. That's the 6th. Now the 7th. There's actually a quick run. Gapani sari sari pagari va va ta. Here, give a push for Gandhara. Va. Then Nishad and Rishabha is having Gamaga. Va gapani sari va tabi sari bagari va. So it's gapani sari sari bagari va va tabi. That rest is repetition. Ganapatim bhajeham. Let me phrase it. Vatapi ganapatim bhajeham. That's the 7th. Next, the 8th. Yeah, only one note is added in this to this phrase. That's the only difference it is having. The 7th was va up to Rishabham we sang. Here we have to touch Gandhara as well. That's it. Va ta, like va. That's Gandhara. That's it. Gapani sari ga. That's it. Va ta pi gari sari va. That's the only difference. Va ta pi ganapatim bhajeham. That's the 8th Sangati. Then here we have got an extension. Vatapi Ganapatim Bhajeham. After that, Varanasyam Varapradam Shri. Varanasi. Here we have got 4 Sangadis for Varanasi. First one, Varanasyam. Or people may sing it like Varanasyam. Both is okay, no problem. So Varanasyam, sorry, gari ga pa gari zari. Those are the swarams. Varanasyam. Then, so that's the first Sangati. Let's move to the second. Varanasyam Varapradam Shri. Here, after Varanasyam Varaprada, take breath. So you can start like Shri Varanasyam Varaprada. You can connect like that. Varanasyam Varapradam Shri Varanasyam. Like this. So the swaram gari ga pa sa Varanasyam. Then vara sa sa ni va vara pradam Shri pradam gavari pradam gari gavagari pradam Shri Sari. Varanasyam Varapradam Shri. That's the second Sangati. Let's move to the third. Varanasyam Varapradam. Here it's a Gari Gapa Nisari. That's the change. Varanasyam. Then Varapradam Shri. Like in the previous phrase. Satsariba Gavagari Zadvi. Let me phrase it. The third phrase should sound like this. Varanasyam Varapradam Shri. That's it. And all these Sangatis should be sung twice. The fourth Sangathi, the last. Varanasam Varapratam Shri. Here, Varana, that's saying Gari Gapa, up to that it's the repetition. Then earlier in the third phrase, it's like it were Nisari. Here it is Panisari. One more note is been added. Varanasam. Then Vara, that's Gari Sari Sani, Vara Prasani Pradam Shri. Pagani Pagani Pa. That's a really tough thing, because if you are having a strain, or if you are tired or something, we will be singing like Daivadam Anyaswara. No, it's not possible. So give a projection up to Nishad. It should reach Kagal Nishad. Like this. So the first Sangathi should sound like this. Varanasam Varapradam Shri. Got it? After that, you should connect it with the eighth Sangathi of Pallavi. Vatapi. Vatapi Ganavatim Bhajeham. Then again. Varanasam Varapradam Shri. Then a new Sangathi. Actually, to conclude the Pallavi, you should sing like Vatapi Ganavatim Bhaje. Like that. It's from Panjama lift to Rishabha. Pari, that's Pagari. You should hit Gandhara and come back to Rishabha. Vata Saripata Pigana Gavayari Pigana Gavayari Pigana Sani Gavayari Pigana Padim Bhaje Pari Sari. Then it's up to your Manodharmam. That's up to you. Total freedom. So the concluding part should sound like this. Vatapi Ganavatim Bhaje. Softly. So that's the Pallavi. I know it's a tough piece to learn, but it's quite a really great thing. Really good to hear also. So practice, guys, and get thorough with this lesson. I'll be taking my the Anupalli part in my next tutorial only. So if you have got any suggestions or opinions, you can post them as comments, because this tutorial, actually I was not having any plan to take this, but some of our listener asked me to take tutorial on this Vadapi. That's the reason I took this tutorial now. Anyway, see you all in my next tutorial. Bye.